20 memorable quotes. Film Planet of the Apes, 1968. Planet of the Apes, 1968, is a groundbreaking sci-fi film that explores deep themes of civilization, power, and human nature. Directed by Franklin J. Schaffner and based on Pierre Boulle's novel, it follows astronaut George Taylor, Charlton Heston, who crash lands on a mysterious planet ruled by intelligent apes. As Taylor navigates this strange world, he discovers that humans are treated as primitive beings, while the apes hold advanced knowledge and power. The film's iconic moments, including Taylor's defiant line, "Take your stinking paws off me, you damn dirty ape," and the shocking final revelation, reflect its poignant social commentary. The movie critiques human hubris, race, and class structures, while questioning the role of science and religion. With its innovative makeup, visual effects, and thought-provoking narrative, Planet of the Apes became a cultural milestone, inspiring sequels, reboots, and a lasting legacy in cinematic history. Dr. Zaius, the Forbidden Zone was once a paradise. Your breed made a desert of it, ages ago. Dr. Zaius, you are right, I have always known about man. From the evidence, I believe his wisdom must walk hand in hand with his idiocy. His emotions must rule his brain. He must be a warlike creature who gives battle to everything around him, even himself. George Taylor, a planet where apes evolved from men? There's got to be an answer. Dr. Zaius, don't look for it, Taylor. You may not like what you find. Dr. Zaius, the Forbidden Zone was once a paradise. Your breed made a desert of it, ages ago. From the original 1968 film, "Take your stinking paws off me, you damn dirty ape." Colonel Taylor. No, 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 no. 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 Taylor, upon discovering the Statue of Liberty. It's a strange world, isn't it? Cornelius. From Rise of the Planet of the Apes, 2011, Caesar, remember who you are. Dr. Will Rodman. Apes together, strong. Caesar. We are apes, and we will not be slaves. Caesar. From Dawn of the Planet of the Apes, 2014, Apes. Do not want war, but will fight if we must. Caesar. We are apes. We are free. Koba. Enough guns here to kill every ape. Koba. George Taylor, take your stinking paws off me, you damn dirty ape. Dr. Zaius, I may not be perfect, but I'm all you've got. Cornelius, the Forbidden Zone was once a paradise. Your breed made a desert of it, ages ago. George Taylor, it's a madhouse. A madhouse. Dr. Zaius, you are a menace. A walking pestilence. Lucius, you can't trust the older generation. Zira, all men look alike to most apes. George Taylor, imagine me needing someone. Back on Earth, I never did. Oh, there were women. Lots of women. Lots of lovemaking, but no love. Dr. Zaius, don't look for it, Taylor. You may not like what you find. George Taylor, you maniacs. You blew it up. Ah, damn you. God damn you all to hell.